Alright, in previous tutorial we saw about the virtual machine which provides the compute power. In this tutorial we'll learn about the storage power in Azure. Let's begin. We'll begin with the creating with storage account. A storage account we need if anything we want to store in Azure, be it file share or blob. Next we will be creating one container. So container is nothing but it works like storage for the blob. Just like for files we have directories and all, in similar fashion container is something we can treat it like a directory, I can say, where we will put the our blobs and all, right? So let's begin with the hands-on. I have the portal handy here. We are at the Azure portal. So in order to we'll create everything from the scratch. We have the Azure storage accounts here. We can also search here if it's not appearing here, storage accounts, right? Anyway, both will work. So let's click here. So once we are here, we can begin by clicking here, create or create storage account. Both works. So let's click here, create. Next we need to give a storage account name. Let's give it Cloud Guru Amit. Next we need to mention the region is where our data will be stored. So we will select US East 2. There are optional as per your location or convenience. We can select the region. For low latency is better where you reside, select the region close to your area. So next is the performance. We have the standard one. This is for most common scenarios. If you want low latency kind of thing, like this will be costly premium, we can go for premium as well. For the interest of this demo, it's not required because it's a simple demo. Next is the redundancy. So how many backup failure scenarios those you want. So since this is just a basic tutorial, we don't care much about the data. I'll select LRS. This looks good. There are also a couple of steps, but to keep this tutorial simple, I'll click on review and create. Next again we need to click on create after reviewing this if this looks good. All right, till this gets ready, I have file on my local computer. Like I have created one HTML file. It's called a website. So the contents of the file looks something like this. This is a simple HTML. We know h1 tag I have added. This is just a simple thing. So this you can open a notepad if you're using a Windows and give the extension of the file as .html. So it will save as HTML file. So this should be simple. We'll upload this file to our storage account after creating one container. So let's check the progress where we are. So our deployment is now ready. Let's go to the resource. So this is our storage account Cloud Guru Amit 007. We are good. Next we need to create one container. Container will be present under data storage. Here we have the container. Let's go ahead and click it. Here we have the plus symbol, plus container. So we need to name a container. Let's name it Amit container. This looks good. Let's click on create here. Instantly creates the container. So as mentioned, a container is nothing but if you want to put our blob, we need one location, right? So we have successfully created this container. Now we got the upload button here where we can add our files from our local computer. Let's go ahead by uploading our website file from our local computer. Let's browse for files by clicking here. All right, let's browse this website file. You can double click it. We are done. Let's click on this upload magic button. It got successfully uploaded here. We can see the tier is hot. We know like for frequent data access, the tier should be hot. If you want to store more, save much cost, then cold storage is also fine. So let's check mark this. I want to show something. Let's click here the three buttons. We have the viewer edit. If we click here, there is one beauty of Azure which I want to show you. If I click here, it simply shows our notepad file which we have seen. And if we click here HTML, there are tons of options, basically different languages as well, like C, C++, C Sharp. All the famous ones are there as per our wish, the document which we want to view. So since it's HTML, let's click on preview. So this is what one HTML document should look like, right? The h1 tag, these are the highlighted ones and all, right? So we can check our contents of our file directly using the Azure portal as well. So this is less known fact, but if you have already tried, that's well and good. So we are done with the some of the steps. If you look, we have created storage account, then created container, third step also we have uploaded the file and checked. Now let's go ahead by creating file share. So file share we know works on the protocol, SMB protocol and all. Let's go back. In order to go back to the create one file share, we need to get out of the container that is here, and this was one basically our storage account. So storage, in the storage account, again if you look in the data storage, we have the file share. Let's click on it, and here we have the plus button to create one file share. Let's click file share. I'll name it Amit file share. This looks good. Then we have the access share. So depending upon our workload, we can also select the access share. For this demo, hot should be sufficient, right? Even cold is good, but yeah, hot like this is a frequently accessed data, I'll say for now. So hot looks good. Next it will show you the performance, maximum IOPS and all, maximum capacity. So it's sufficient 100 TIB, right? Let's go ahead by clicking on review and create. So here we can see, just remember, file share works on the SMB protocol as mentioned before, right? Access share is hot for us for frequently accessed data. Let's go ahead by clicking create. So it gets instantly created here. If you look, successfully created storage file share. The maximum capacity is 100 TIB. A soft delete is 70s by the way. Now let's go ahead by click on, we can also browse the file now. Let's upload the file just like we have did, upload. Then again browse for files, it will redirect to a local computer. Again we have the website file here. Let's go ahead by clicking, let's click on upload. So it got successfully uploaded. We can also see here the file. In case you are stuck at this page and you have uploaded the file, let me show you once again. Let's say I want to upload another file. Click on upload. So it will show you successfully uploaded the file. But if you check, like we cannot see the file, right? So please do not panic. Here we have the browse option where we can click and check all the files. So these were the two files. Previously you uploaded the website file, and now we have uploaded this one PNG file as well. So this is how you can upload files and make use of the storage account. Just to make sure, whenever we are done with any kind of tutorial, make sure to go to the resource group and clean up for the basics things I'm showing you in the first place. Later on I won't be showing you this removal things, so we'll need to go to the resource group where it's located. We'll click all these. Currently we have created one storage account, so it's good. Just one thing, we can see just one record here. Next, on the three dots here, we have got the delete. Then we need to type delete or just copy paste this. This will also work. Let's copy paste it and click on delete. Yes, delete. So it will delete all our resources which we have spent during the hands-on. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching this storage tutorial video.